guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sana and you're watching Sana Vlog. So, you all know what I'm going to create in this video. I think you have already seen in my thumbnail. This is the look which I have created for this Rakhi. Actually, this is very simple and I have created only with 6 products. You won't believe this will gonna be long lasting for full day, at least for 8 hours, and it is a full glam look, and also this look has full festive vibe. Yeah, I have used only 6 products for this look, which is affordable in price and good in quality. It stays for minimum 8 hours. Trust me, I have already used these products a lot, so you guys need to trust me. So yeah guys, these are the 6 products which I have used in this video to create this beautiful, elegant, simple Rakhi look. Without any further delay, let's begin the video. Let's start. So I have done my skin prep in off cam. I just applied a moisturizer. Now I'm gonna apply a corrector to color correct my face. For this I'm gonna use a 3-in-1 product which I usually use. I'm using this Swiss Beauty maroon shade lipstick. That means the shade name is Berry 212. This one. I usually use this lipstick as a 3-in-1 product, like to color correct my face and lipstick and for blush. So today I'm gonna use this lipstick first to color correct. If you don't have any corrector and blush with you, means don't worry, pick one maroon lipstick, that's it. I have already used this maroon lipstick in my one shorts and explained about this, so you can check it from my card. I will give it in my card. Maroon lipstick is a lifesaver. Pick one maroon lipstick from any brand which you like. Trust me, this will suit on a dusky skin. And also you no need to apply an actual product on your face to correct your face, means color corrector. This is the option one. If you don't have, means you can off this. I'm gonna use my finger only to blend it out. And also this one is a creamy texture maroon lipstick, so this is easy to blend. If you bought matte ones, that won't blend smoothly, so avoid matte one. I have done a color corrector and I'm gonna set this color corrector with a loose powder, which is my favorite, recent days favorite. This is from Mars Trendsetter Setting Powder Banana Shade. This retails for ₹249, but I have bought this in a Nykaa Pink Summer Sale, so I have bought in a super discount price. This one is the second product which I'm going to use today for this look, and also they have given one sponge with this which is worth it. Just apply it on your corrected area, that's it. Okay, done. Now I'm going to apply a third product which is foundation. It's very important to give a presentable and like a bright look. So here I'm using my recent days favorite Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation. The shade is Coffee 14. After this foundation melts into my skin and it gives a super finishing look. Just dotting on my face. I think my foundation is going to end now. So this is how it looks. Just going to blend this foundation with a beauty blender which is from Grub. This Grub brand is giving one of the great sponge in very affordable rate. This sponge retails for only 180 rupees. So great sponge for 180 rupees. The brand name is Grub. So I'm gonna apply a little more foundation around my mouth. So today I'm not going to use a concealer, so just apply it around. Fourth step is not the fourth product. Fourth step is I'm gonna set my foundation with the loose powder which I have used before. The same one from Mars. Actually, my personal favorite is I love the loose powder which has a yellow color tint. That gives more finishing look on dusky skin. So I like this kind of loose powders. Yellow tint loose powder is a great option for deep skin tones. I have done my base. Now moving on to eyes. For Kajal, here I am using Glam Eyes Swear By. This one I'm gonna do a simple eye makeup because this one is a festival day, so we need to look some festive vibe. And this one is the fourth product which I have applied on my lip, and this one is the fifth product. Today I'm gonna use this Mars City Paradise palette. The version is Delhi. They have given a lots of shades. These are our eyeshadow shades, and here contour, blush and highlighter. This blush isn't worked on my skin tone because this is too light, and also the finishing is very powdery finish. So for eyes, I have already applied a kajal. So I'm gonna smudge this kajal with this orange color. The shade name is India Gate. Here I'm taking this flat fluffy brush. That's it, very simple eye look. Now I'm going to apply a mascara. Wait, before that I'm gonna use some shimmery shade on the points like this here. Okay, I'm gonna use this copper color, copper shimmery shade. The name is Tuk Tuk. For lower waterline, I'm using the same kajal. And the final product, sixth product, is mascara from Sugar Pop. This is a best volumizing mascara. After 5 to 6 uses, you will get to know how the mascara is actually works. But nowadays, I like this mascara. Actually, it works superb on my lashes. Now for lipstick, again I'm going to use the same product which I used previously. That is the Color Corrector lipstick. Okay, lipstick is done, and for blush, I'm using the same lipstick. Blend it out with Beauty Blender in a clean side. Okay, blush is done. For highlighter, I'm using the same eyeshadow palette. The highlighter name is CP, that is Connaught Place. So yeah, this is my entire look for this Rakhi. Actually, what I did expected, the results comes out very well. It feels smooth, glowy and glamorous look. So yeah, this is very easy and you can definitely create by yourself, and these products are available in local stores also. And my suggestion only is foundation is very important. Please make sure your foundation is exact match to your skin tone. Otherwise, all the products are optional, and all the products you can buy exactly what I'm using here. And I wish you all happy Rakshabandhan. Celebrate happily, and yeah, tell me in the comment section what you got in a Rakshabandhan gift. And if you want any specific video like this one, please tell me in the comment section. So yeah, bye bye. Let's meet you on next video. Bye. See you soon.